Electrolyte Analyzer Installation Guide. First, we put the machine and the accessory box on the table. Then take out the reagent, calibration A and B, the QC solution, activating and cleaning solution, the electrodes, the cleaning set, and the internal electrode solution. We need to let the thermosensitive side toward us. We can check by our nail. If there's black, it is this side. Then we open the printer and put it inside. Pull a little bit, then close it. Printer paper installation finish. We take the pump tube and give some stretch and massage for the tube. Then we hold it one end, then keep it get in, then around the tube, then fix another end. Then we put the tube go through the hole, then we can close it. Now we put the waste bottle outside of the machine and put the tube into it. Then we can open the door. We put the reagent, calibration A and B, in the right position. We need to pay attention. A is at the downside of the distribution valve, and for B, it is the right side. Now we install the electrodes. We hold the electrode like this and use our finger to flip the bottom of each electrode. It should be installed according to the sequence marked above it. Since every move or trembling will involve bubbles, so we have to remove the bubble before every installation for electrodes. We need to do this for each electrode. This is a rough electrode. There is a fishing line. To avoid blockage, we need to use a scissor to cut it, then take it out slowly. And we use a clipper to take out the small cap. Replaced with the other one with the hole. And tighten it with the flip. And we hold like this and use our palm to hit it, and flip the bottom of the rough electrode to remove the bubble. Then we can tighten the knob. And also we need to press the electrode to keep them in a line. We also need to pay attention, do not fold the pipe. Now we can switch on the machine, and it will auto checking, auto washing for the pipelines. We can close the electrode door and the front door. it costs some time to wash in the pipeline for maintains the liquid path. Finish auto checking. It will ask you to activating. For our new brand, you don't need to do activating, and you need to do the calibration. Calibration is the basis for each measurement, so you have to do the calibration success, then to run the tests. When calibration finish and success, it will give a measurement for calibration solution A. After this, it will get into the main menu. Then we can do the real sample test.